Okay, class 12. Today we will continue exercise 7.3. So, till question number 17, we will already have done. Now, today we will start from question number 18. So, question number 18 is cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. Now, first we have to make it into standard form by using trigonometric identities. Okay. So, we know that what is cos 2x? Formula of cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x, instead of cos 2x, we will write 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. So we can cut minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x. So this equals to 1 by cos square x. What is the reciprocal of cos? It is sec. It is sec square x. Therefore, integration of cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx equals to integration sec square x dx. So we know that the integration of sec square x is 10x. So it is 10x plus c. 10x, now integration constant is c. So integration of this equals to this. So question number 18. So answer of question number 18 is 10x plus c. Now move to question number 19. Okay, question number 19. So question number 19 is 1 by sin x into cos cube x. Now first we have to make it into standard form. So standard form, now we have to put the formula of 1. What is the formula of 1? 1 equals to sin square x plus cos square x. So instead of 1, we will write sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin x cos cube x. So this equals to sin square x. Now we have to separate it, sin square x by sin x into cos cube x plus here cos square x by sin x into cos cube x. Now we can cut 1 sin x, 1 sin x. So sin x by cos x is 10x. So cos square x is left in denominator. So 1 by cos square x is sec square x plus 2 cos cancel, 1 cos is left. So it is 1 by sin x into cos x. Now it is not in standard form. It is in standard form, but it is not in standard form. Again, we have to make it into standard form. So how to make it? So this equals to 10x into sec square x plus 1 by, now multiplying this quantity, multiplying and dividing this quantity by cos square x. So here we will write cos square x into sin x into cos x divided by here also cos square x. So it is in balanced state. If you cut these two, we will get 1 by sin x into cos x. So this equals to 10x into sec square x plus, so 1 by cos square x is sec square x divided by, so we can cut here 1 cos, 1 cos. So sin by cos is 10x. So it is in standard form. So therefore, in integration of 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx equals to integration of tan x into sec square x dx plus here also integration of sec square x by tan x dx. So here the substituent is tan x because the differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So here also same, substituent of tan x, substituent is tan x, so differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So let tan x equals to t. Let tan x equals to t. Now differentiate it. What is the differentiation of tan x? It is sec square x. Now again we have to differentiate x. So dx by dt. Now differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Sec square x dx equals to dt. After multiplying with 1, dt multiplying with 1. Therefore, integration of 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx equals to tan x equals to t and sec square x dx is dt. So here we will write t dt plus integration, here same, sec square x dx is dt. So in denominator there is tan, so 1 by t dt. So this equals to, what is the integration of t? It is t square by 2. What is the integration of 1 by t? It is log t plus c. Now put the value of t. So t is 10. So because of square, tan square x divided by 2 plus log t is 10x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 19. Now move to question number 20. Okay, question number 20 is cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. Now first make it into standard form. What is the formula of cos 2x? So cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So we'll write here cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. We know that the formula of a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Now put the formula, cos x plus sin x, cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square. Now we can cut these two. So only cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x is left. So therefore integration of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx equals to integration of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. So here the denominator is substituent because the differentiation of denominator is numerator. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. So let cos x plus sin x equals to t. Now differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus it is cos x dx equals to dt. Cos x minus sin x dx is dt. Cos x minus sin x dx is dt. So therefore integration of cos 2x divided by cos x plus sin x whole square dx equals to integration of cos x minus sin x dx is dt. So 1 by t dt. So this equals to log t plus c. So log t plus c, log equals to log t is cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 20. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.